What's up guys, we're here in Barcelona for the MWC 2019 and Sony has just revealed 3 new phones in their Xperia series. This is the Xperia 10, the Xperia 10 Plus and the budget version L3.
If we look at the design, you can immediately see that the phone has a larger screen, but without compromising on the hand fit. That is because it has a new aspect ratio, 21:9. Yes, it's like cinema. If we look at the inputs, it has a 3.5mm jack on the top for those of you who still use a cable. And when it comes to colors, you can get it in black, blue, or silver. We have the black and blue here. The fingerprint reader is placed on the side. If we look at the display, the screen size is 6 inches on the Xperia 10 and 6.5 inches on the Xperia 10 Plus. And they are both LCD screens. And Sony uses algorithms from the Bravi TVs to optimize the viewing experience. Another nifty feature is the split screen, where you can tap and hold an app and choose to have that on half your screen and do something else on the other half of the screen. If we look at the battery, it has a 3000 milliamps on the 10 Plus and a 2870 milliamps on the Xperia 10. But it has Xperia adaptive charging, which is supposed to make your battery last longer. When looking at the cameras, the phone has a dual camera on the back with a 12 megapixel main module and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera. This gives you 2 times optical zoom, but that only counts for photos. When it comes to video, you can record in 4K in both 16:9 and 21:9 formats. And it features steady shot, which is electronic image stabilization. Overall, the phone has decent specifications, it feels good in my hand, nothing revolutionary, but a good bang for the buck phone. What do you think? Tell us in the comments. Peace out.